Onto the weather, it's what we're all talking about. Keeley, please tell me there are some improvements on the way at least.
Absolutely, yes. The weather warning's still in, or the 3 weather warnings are still in force overnight, but much quieter for the weekend. It is worth, though, keeping up to date on the Environment Agency website for the flood warnings and the flood watches, or the flood alerts, sorry, over the course of the weekend. And just to give you an idea of how wet it's been, an Environment Agency gauge at Red Myers Reservoir in the Peak District, in the amber warning area, of course, recorded over 100 millimetres of rain. So it's been very wet indeed. If you are out and about this weekend, keep taking your weather watchers pictures, but please stay safe out there as well. We do still have warnings in force overnight tonight for heavy rain and also for coastal gales as well. But the rain is going to ease through the second half of the night, and those coastal gales will ease down through tomorrow. So a much quieter weekend, not totally dry, but much drier and brighter into Monday as well. Sunday probably the better of the 2 days over the weekend. Monday looks pleasant as well, but then another area of low pressure pushes northwards for Tuesday. And actually the rest of the week does look unsettled. And of course that rain will be falling on very, very saturated ground. This is the radar picture from earlier. It has been relentless all day, with some heavy spells across the Dales as well as parts of South and West Yorkshire. That rain continuing, still persistent, still heavy in places, with the amber warning for Pennine parts, the yellow warning elsewhere. But that rain will tend to ease through the second half of the night, or begin to ease through the second half of the night, with temperatures down to 9 or 10 degrees. A quick look at those high water times at around 17 minutes past 9 in Filey. So we'll start the day tomorrow windy, still with those coastal gales, still with the cloud and rain, but the rain easing, and we should see some brighter skies developing to the east of high ground, possibly even some sunshine through the afternoon. But I suspect the Pennines will stay cloudy, and we may well see that showery rain returning into western parts at times through the day as well. The breeze, the wind will slowly ease down through tomorrow, and temperatures will lift to around 13 or 14 degrees. So it is going to be a cloudy start to the day on Sunday. Sunday looks like the better of the 2 days. It'll brighten up with some spells of sunshine. A cooler start on Sunday as well, and a cool start on Monday, a start to the working week. But it does look like a dry and a fine day with some spells of sunshine, clouding over from the south later with outbreaks of rain into Tuesday. And as you can see, it does look like an unsettled outlook. Keep checking that Environment Agency page.
Sound advice. Thank you very much, Keeley. So a slightly drier weekend.
Absolutely.
We'll hold you to that. That's it from